everything needs a Mordecai, Joseph. And that signed it off for me. So just quickly, what did Mordecai do? He nudged Esther. And by default, I'm a nudger. I can't help but nudge. I have to try really hard not to nudge people. And so he nudged her once. She stepped into the place of where things were going to happen. Then he nudged her another time to fully step into her destiny, her purpose. This is why you're here. I want to give you that background because you are going to have a background like that for your tribe. You already have it, but just don't realize it. When I get women messaging me, talking about how their marriage has changed, their view of their body has changed, they don't hate themselves anymore, I'm blown away. When someone says, I used to have suicidal thoughts, I don't have them anymore, I don't want to kill myself anymore, someone was waiting on this random Indian guy, and I didn't even know. Someone is waiting on you, and you don't even know. And this is where, as you embrace